19व सुपर सॉकर फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट मायनस स्पोर्ट्स क्लब कुडतरी जिखले. युनायटेड बॉयज ऑफ दांडो कोलवान बाणावले दांडो ग्राउंडार सर्त घेतिल्ली. मायनस स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान एंथनी बॉयज असोल्डाक 4-1 मारले. रिबेल 4x4 आणि जेटीआयची ऑफ रोड सर्त वाळपय जाली. गोंय, महाराष्ट्र आणि कर्नाटकांतल्यो टिमी हे सर्तींत गाडयो घेवन वांटेकार जाल्ल्यो. ऑफ रोड रॅलीची खिणी चित्रां.
This is the first event we are having at this place, together with our Sandeep Maikar, who was very much involved in off-roading.
Praveen Shenoy from Rebel 4x4. We have a humongous number of participants for this event. In fact, it has been so overwhelming that we've had to limit our number of participants for this event to a little over 65 right now. We have participants from all over Goa, from our neighboring states in Maharashtra as well. People have come from Mumbai, Satara, Pune, and a few vehicles also have come from Karnataka. So that is the participation of people from various states.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.